Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S61 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find the system. Then let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. We cannot tap on them, we cannot do anything because we are using not doing automatic options. So let's first of all tap on this switcher to turn off the automatic time zone, and then tap on set time automatically and choose off. And now we can freely tap on date. We can change it just by swiping, tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping and tap on OK. Here we can select the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available regions. So find yours and tap on it. It will be of course immediately applied, and be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we can also change the time format. So currently we are using 24-hour one, or we can turn it off and set 12-hour format, so it's up to you. So basically this is the whole customization of the date and time. And now we can go back to all previous settings just by using this switcher to set the time zone automatically and use network provided time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.